Hey everyone, and welcome to the part 5 of this series in which I will show you how to build and deploy a full e-commerce website in MERN stack. So in this fifth video, we will see how to display all the product items in our website. So in the previous video, I have shown you how to make this admin account page, and only the admin can add products and make some changes. So as you can see in our MongoDB database, I have added total of 68 products. Okay, so I have make some changes in the product collections. So I have added total of 68 products, and you can see all the name of these. So we will display all these in our website in this video. So let's do that quickly. So first of all, for that I will make a new JS file, name all item. Okay, all item page. I think so all item page .js, and in this page I will first of all write the boilerplate just like that, and make some constants. So first of all I will make a constant called data, then set data. Okay, set data, and this will be a use state. So I will write a use state, and by default it will be an array, but it will be an empty array. And just like that I will make a new constant called selected option, and then paste it here and say set selected option. So what it means, so in this data constant all the all the products will lie, but in this selected option the type of the product will lie. Okay, so if you have seen the demo website, the final demo website, we have provided an option to search by categories. That's why we have types. So if the user want to search by electronics, if the user have to search in fashion, so that's what we are doing here. Okay, and after that let's just write some HTML tags in here. So here we will simply write a section first. Okay, a section, and let's style it. So I will style it, let's say text gray. Okay, text gray 300, and that's it. And after that I will make a div tag, and inside this div tag first of all I will style it. I will write container because it will be one container, then px5, then py12 here. Okay, and then I will write mx auto so that it will be in the center. After that I will make another div and style it as well, and this will be a flex box, and it will be wrap, so flex wrap here. All that, just like that. And also I will margin will be 4. All right, that's it. And here I will use this curly braces to add the JavaScript, and here I will use this data object here, this data use state. So I will map through this data array, and it will be an arrow function. So write that, and I will write I here, and make sure to write round braces, not curly one. And here I will write a div tag, so a div tag here just like that, and I will also style it. So what I will style it, first of all I will say in the large the width will be 1/4, but in the mid devices the width will be half, and then p will be 2 here just like that, and the scale will be 95. Okay, and then my will be 4, then width will be full as well, and then rounded. Okay, rounded, and make it large. And after that I will write shadow, so shadow, let's say medium. So in this div tag I will provide the link or use the props to gain access for other file. So what I mean by that, I will simply write item page here, okay, item page, and this will be a new file here, so we have to create this. So I will just create it. So I will write item page.js. So here we have to like design our card, and in this all item page, as the name suggests, it will contain all the items. And before doing anything more, let's come to our home.js. So where it is, and this home.js, I will just require the all item tags. So I will write all item page, and you can see it is automatically there, and I will just close this tag. So in this way, in the home page, all item page will be there. Alright, so yeah, and let's in the selected option, let's by default let's write all, because in the next video we will be seeing how to change the options, not in this one. Okay, alright, so we will see the image, the styling of this item page later on, but now let's just simply pass all the props here. Okay, let's do not worry about that, let's just pass all the props. And before passing all the props, we have to get the data from the backend. So how we can do that? We can simply use the Axios function. So let's use it. Okay, so I will just copy it from the admin page. Okay, so I will just copy this from here and paste it here, and here make sure to remove this submit, this prevent default, and instead of this submit I will write type change submit. Okay, because it will be called every time the selected option is changed, and that we will be seeing in the next parts, not in this one. Alright, so here I have to also change this. So in this this I will write get products, because it is it is using to get the products. And then here I will pass the selected option just like that. And now let's write some code in our server.js to get the products. So what I will do, I will simply copy this down here, and here I will write get products just like that, make some space here, and here I will write the code to get the products. So remove this constants from here, we don't need these. And in the try block, first of all what I will do, I will make a constant called type, and this will be equal to request dot body dot selected option, which we have just created. So selected option just like that, and it will be equal to all, because we have defined the selected option all. And now I will write some if else statement. So if the type is all, okay, so if the type is all, then we want all the products to be displayed. So here what I will write, so I will write here all products, and this will be equal to await then product collection. So here it is product collection find, and we will get all the products, but make sure that we will only get the 12 products at one page. So for that I can simply write 0 and then limit it to 12. So this is the way you will get only 12 products at a time and not all the products. And I'll just simply copy this down here, and instead of this I will write total items. So this will give the number for the total items. So here I will just write find and then count. So count documents, that's it, and it will give the number of number of products in that collection here. Then I will make a new data constant, and instead of this I will write all products is equal to all products, and let's say total items is equal to total items, just like that. And after that I will send a confirmation message through JSON, which is data. So we will just simply pass this data, and that's how we will use this in our all item page. And remove this from here and this also. Okay, so this JSON.parse also. And now I will just simply copy this if statement down here, and here I will write else. Okay, so we have to remove this. All right, and in this I will write type is equal to type. Okay, so if it is not all, then we will simply write type is equal to this type, and this we will see in the upcoming videos, not in this one, as I have told you earlier also. Alright, so I think now we are done with the server part also. It will simply grab all the products, the first 12 products, and show you in the e-commerce page. So let's come to our all item page again, and instead of this data here, what I will write, okay, so here I will write if the data is this, so I will simply print the error which says something went wrong. That's it. And in the else part we will do, so first of all I will make a constant const all is equal to rest.data, and then I will write set data, and this will be equal to all dot data. Oh, not data, all dot all products. And what I mean by that, let me show you in the server first. So you can see we will we are passing the data in which there are two arguments, there are two constants, all products and total items. So here we are grabbing the all products, and then we will also be writing a set total items also. So set total items, and this will be equal to all dot total items. Okay, not set total item, total items. And we have to make a use state also, otherwise it will give an error. So just like that, and by default it will be 0. So set total items. Okay, so yep, as you can see, I think we are done now. And so yeah, the code for all item page is also complete. So now let's move on to the final page, which is this item page.js. So let's remove this home page. So let's write the code for this item page.js, and here we will design our card. So how the card should look like. So let's save it and see if the website is there. So you can see there are some errors, Axios toast image. So alright, so let's define them first before moving on. So here I will copy this. So I will copy the toast and Axios and paste it in our all item page. That's it. And I will also import item page from item page. That's it. So yeah, so in this way all the errors should be gone. So yeah, there is no error now. So first of all I will make a new a tag. So in this a tag I will make some styling here. So I will write flex and then relative, then I will give the height of 48 by default, then I will say justify center rounded. Okay, just rounded, not small or large, and I will write overflow hidden. And inside this we will be adding all the images. So let's write image, and in the src tag what I will write here, just like that, and I will use the backticks and then use the curly braces. Okay, So here I will write props. So we will be using props and props and then 0. So in this way, first of all we have to grab the images also. So here you have to write props, and as you can see in the all item page, with the help of this we will be providing all the props here, so don't worry, we will be providing the props. So, and we have to style the image also. So let's write class name, then write object contain. Okay, so object contain, then width will be full, just like that, and height will be full also. Okay, and then it will be block, by default it will be block. Alright, and after that we will be making a new div. So let's make a new div, and in the class name I will simply say empty4, that's it. And in this make a h3 tag and style it. Style it. So here I will write text gray 500. Okay, you can just style it on your own, but I am just skipping all these parts, so I will just fast forward all these. Alright, so as you can see I have written the code. So let's just do format document first, and you can see I have written some h3 tags. So the first one will be type, and you can see there is props.type. Then the second one will be name, and then we will display the price. And after that I have make some changes in the stocks one. So if the stock, you can see if the stock is greater than 0, then we will simply say in stock. Okay, so I forgot to write in stock, so you can see, and it will be green. But if it is not, okay, so that means it is out of stock. So here I will write out of stock, and it will be of red color. So I think you understand now, and the only thing left is to pass the props here. So let's do that quickly. So first of all, the first prop will be name. So here let's just write a space here. So here let me just see. Okay, so it is I. So here I will just write I.name, that's it. And in the type one I will write it I.type. Then we have to just repeat it. So same for price, I have to write I.price. Then stocks, I have to write I.stocks. And image, you have to write I.image. Okay, so I.image. Then all ratings is equal to I.all ratings. And lastly we will write I.reviews is equal to I.reviews. So yeah, I think now we are done with all these. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see in our website if it is there or not. So I will just simply reload the page, and okay, so we are not able to see any of the products. So let me see what is the problem here. Alright guys, so the error was you have to write double equal to here. And also one more thing, you can see the type change submit function is not even running. So that's why we are not getting any products displayed in our website. So to run this we will be using use effect. So write an error function here, and here I will simply write type change submit, and we will run every time the selected option is changed. So now it will work. So let's save it and see. So let's reload. You can see all the products are there. So yeah, as you can see there are exactly 12 products, because we have limited the products to 12. And in the next video we will see how to make the pages, okay, so that you can go to next pages. And also we will be adding the categories so that you can switch between categories. And yep, as you can see in this video we have seen a lot of things. So this is the main part. The website is now coming to its life, and you can see it is looking very great. So in the upcoming videos we will see how to change the page number and also how to change the categories. So I hope you enjoy this video, and that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.